Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making one of Botswana bread recipes. It's called Mapakiwa. With this recipe, we are not going to make them like pull apart. We're gonna shape the dough into a round ball and bake it that way. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here I have 5 cups of bread flour and 5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then I'm gonna add about 5 tablespoons of sugar. I have already added baking powder. Yes, I didn't show that part. So I'm gonna take a wooden spoon and mix. Next, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of cold water. Make a well in the middle of the flour, add some water and mix with the wooden spoon. I'm gonna switch now and use my hands. Add more flour as needed until you reach the consistency you are looking for. So we're gonna continue to knead for another 5 to 8 minutes. I love the texture of this bread. The way it is hard on the outside and very soft in the inside. You have to try this recipe, guys. It's similar to soda bread, but the only difference is the texture. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and your family. I hope you guys will try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment down below. I like to hear your opinions, guys. What do you think about my channel and what recipes I can make? Guys, I would appreciate if you can always hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, I've been kneading my dough for a good 5 minutes. I'm gonna shape it into a round ball. I think I have used half a cup of flour there. Place the dough on a parchment lined baking sheet and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for good 1 hour. I just pulled the bread out of the oven. While it's still hot, I'm gonna brush it with butter, then transfer it onto a cooling rack and allow it to cool completely. Let me show you how it looks inside. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's so moist inside. So delicious. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.